Buick LeSabre. The dash pad is starting to separate from its base. This is a common issue. Time to replace it. First, open up the glove box and remove 3 Phillips head screws. After those are out, remove the interior of the glove box. There's a bulb on the side of this part. Use a pick to lift up on the small tab and pull. With the glove compartment removed, it exposes 4 fasteners that hold the cover. Remove these with a 7mm socket. Break out your trim and molding tool set. Remove the passenger side A-pillar trim. Pry from the windshield area. This one was broken, so prying at any point removed it. Remove the side cover. There is a bolt behind this trim piece. Use this style of trim tool to pry it out of place. A 7mm socket and an extension will remove that fastener. The same fastener is located on the same trim piece a bit further in. Now you can remove the fastener and let the trim piece hang in position. On the driver's side, remove the A-pillar trim. Pry out the headlight switch trim, then carefully disconnect the knee bolster trim panel. I barely yanked on it and it separated with massive force. Remove the side cover. This one is usually on there tight, but this one gave no issues. Removing the side cover exposes another bolt. Remove the vent cover using 2 trim tools. There is an ambient light sensor connected to the vent cover. Remove its connector by using a pick, similar to that glove box light connector. Removing the vent exposes 5 fasteners. There's 2 on the passenger side, socket size 10mm. And there's 3 on the driver's side, socket size 7mm. You should have no trouble removing these fasteners. Wiggle the dash pad out. Now it looks like this piece could be glued back together, but that's not the case. The problem is fitting it back onto its base. You would need to have some super strength to pull it back onto its base and glue it down at the same time. I found that replacing the piece is a much easier route. I found a replacement in great shape at the local salvage yard. Color is black, costs $50. I'm using these self-drilling screws to hold down the back of the dash pad. Shout out to Buick Mike for the idea. Only difference is he used rivets. And I don't want to bore you with the install. Basically, don't forget to free up this connector. And don't forget the glove box light connector. The 8 fasteners holding down the dash pad are snugged up. And here's a look after the replacement. I think the black color gives its interior a much better look. What do you think? These dash pads are getting hard to find in good condition. As far as I know, there is no aftermarket replacement, only covers. And that's it for this video. Check this one out to fix the odometer gibberish. Or this one to fix a fluctuating fuel gauge needle for your 8th generation Buick LeSabre.